Model, 2017 Renault Master MOVANO Business LM35dCi 135 Energy Long Wheelbase, throwing kisses ULEZ compliant ready-to-work camper conversion perfect. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 198965. Engine, 2298 CCM 90 Energy 135 E5D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Dana light on dash brake pads need replacing. Condition summary, very cheap LWB ULEZ van grin, perfect for deliveries or a summer camper conversion smiling face. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, air con, reversing camera.